Want to code in Java but don't know where to start? You'll need to install the JDK, the Java Development Kit. In this short guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to install it on both Windows and macOS. You can choose to install either Oracle JDK or OpenJDK. First, let's install the Oracle JDK. Go to the Oracle Java Archive website. Choose the Java SE version you want, such as version 8 or 17. Then download the installer that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. To download, you'll need to sign in with an Oracle account. If not, click the Create Account button and follow the steps to register. Follow the setup instructions to complete the installation. Now let's try installing OpenJDK. Head over to the Adoptium Marketplace, select the version you want, and choose the correct archive for your operating system. Download the zip file, extract it, and copy the extracted folder to any directory you prefer. Example C, Program Files, OpenJDK 8. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Type Java-version. If a version number is displayed, the installation was successful. If a version number is not displayed, you need to set up your environment variables. On Windows, go to System Properties. Then Environment Variables. Set Java_home to the JDK installation path. And add %Java_home%bin to the path variable. On macOS, open your shell configuration file, such as bash profile or zshrc. Then copy the export commands from the video description and paste them in. That's it. Your machine is now ready to run Java applications. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.